right? Because who wants to spend the rest of their life going into classroom after classroom experiencing the same crap? Don't get me wrong, you'll do it for a time. But when enough is enough and you've had enough, yeah, it's time to fall back. So put this in place from now so that when you get to a point in your life where you're tired of being in front of the kids, or you're tired of dealing with the administrative nonsense, and you're tired of dealing with the ridiculous requests from parents, then you have your own online school. So consider this your path to creating your own online school, to creating your own brand as a teacher, to monetizing your content and your style of teaching on social media. All of that you accomplish right here. So I want to make it very clear what you are going to be doing at We Still Learn as a teacher. You are learning that from me. You are learning that from me. Yeah? You learn all of that from me. And that's it. And of course, we want to ensure that we have some degree of commitment, right? Because I've seen other teachers take creativity, apply it to them social media, and tons of views, tons of jokes, tons of laughs. Everybody's having a good time, and people still learn. So why just limit it to just, you know, to just teaching alone? No, you can work and you can play. But we must can play as well. And it's a shame because, you know, Miss Preta, I had this idea to have her be a part of that endeavor to create skits. I would do skits as you know our teachers experience with the kids and all of them things. So the skits. And you know, my biggest challenge in getting somebody to do that is that you know how it go. People want the money right away. Them don't want to start, them want watch the money before they watch the work. They don't want to put in the work first and then the money come after. They don't want to do that. So because they're not, it's like you want to see the excitement first. No, you have to create the buzz. You have to create the excitement. That's why a lot of artists don't make it. You have to put yourself out there. People don't know you. They've never seen you before. So if they've never seen you before, why would they click like and share your profile and all of these things? Why would they do that? They don't know you. They don't know you. They're not familiar with your work. So make them familiar with your work. Right? So it can't be a half measured, half stepping, half, you know, halfway crook kind of thing. Listen to Mobb Deep and Big Daddy Kane. Ain't no half stepping and ain't no such thing as halfway crook. So commit. It has to be die when you die because discipline is everything when you do it every time. It has to be. So therefore, I want to teach teachers to be content creators and run them on an online school perfectly fine. But to be a part of the We Still Learn team, that take a different level of commitment. And honestly, like if it gonna be half measured, Just forget it. Just forget it. You know, have to be there when you die. Discipline is everything when you do it every time. So it's every time. Now, I have a concept for the schedule that I would have for any kind of recordings for myself and everybody else. Recordings are on Saturdays and Sundays. And you can even go live on those days because there's no skin off of your nose. When you record, you can just go live after. Going live is sort of like a, you know, like a relaxation, sort of like a press conference, you know, like a post-fight press con. The embarrassment is not lost on me. Press conference, you know, since I said press. Anyway, a post-fight press conference. So think of a live stream or something like that, where we say, hey guys, guess what? We recorded some stuff today and can't wait to deliver that to you next week so that by Monday to Friday,